Evaluating a function. So, balikan natin yung definition ng evaluating a function. Evaluating a function means replacing the variable in the function, in this case x, with a value from the function's domain and computing for the results. So, ibig sabihin nito, we're just going to substitute some values of x and compute for the results. Yung results na yon, pwede siyang y or f of x kasi same lang naman yung y at saka f of x. So, example number 1 tayo. So, for example, we are given with the function f of x is equals to x squared minus 3x plus 2 with a given condition. Sabi dyan, what is the value of f of 3? So, ang ibig sabihin nito, ano daw ang value ng f of x natin if the value of x is 3? So, ganito yung solution natin dyan. So, first, substitute the value to x. So, substitute 3 to x. So, unahin natin dito sa f of x. Substitute 3 to f of x, that would be f of 3. Then, substitute 3 sa x squared. That would be 3 squared. Then, substitute 3 sa minus 3x. That would be minus 3 times 3. Then, retain lang natin yung positive 2 or plus 2 kasi wala naman siyang variable. Okay. Then, rewrite natin tong f of 3. Then, simplify natin yung expression. So, unahin natin itong part na to. This is 3 squared. Ang ibig sabihin niyan ay 3 times 3 is equals to 9. Then, itong part na to, ang ibig sabihin niyan ay negative 3 times 3 is equals to negative 9. Then, rewrite lang ulit natin yung plus 2. Then, rewrite ulit natin yung f of 3. Then, simplify further. So, 9 minus 9 is 0. Plus 2 is equals to 2. So, ang sagot natin sa f of 3 is positive 2. Example number 2. So, we have given with the function f of x is equals to x squared minus 3x plus 2. So, katulad siya ng example number 1 but a different condition. So, ang sabi dito, what is the value of f of negative 2? So, ibig sabihin, what is the value of the function if x is equals to negative 2? So, again, ganito yung solution natin. First, substitute negative 2 to x. So, unahin natin dito, substitute negative 2 to f of x. So, that is f of negative 2. Then, substitute negative 2 to x squared. So, that would be negative 2 squared. Then, substitute negative 2 to minus 3x. That is negative 3 times negative 2. Then, retain lang natin yung positive 2 or plus 2 kasi wala naman siyang variable. Then, rewrite natin itong f of negative 2. Then, simplify natin itong expression. So, unahin natin to. Negative 2 squared. Ang ibig sabihin niyan ay negative 2 times negative 2. The answer is positive 4. Next, itong part na to is, ibig sabihin niyan is negative 3 times negative 2 is equals to positive 6. Then, rewrite lang natin yung plus 2. Then, simplify further. So, 4 plus 6 is equals to 10 plus 2 is equals to 12. Therefore, f of negative 2 is equals to 12. Example number 3 tayo. So, we have f of x is equals to x squared minus 3x plus 2. So, katulad ulit siya ng given sa example 1 and 2 but a different condition. So, ang sabi dito, what is the value of f of 2a? So, sa first two example, ang value ng x is specific. Pero dito is may kasama siyang variable. So, ganito yung solution natin dyan. So, again, ang first step is to substitute 2a to x. Substitute 2a to f of x. So, that is f of 2a. Substitute 2a to x squared. So, that would be 2a squared. Substitute 2a to minus 3x. That would be negative 3 times 2a. Then, retain yung positive 2 or plus 2 kasi wala naman siyang variable. Then, rewrite natin ang f of 2a. Then, simplify natin yung expression. So, unahin natin yung part ng 2a squared. So, 2a squared, ibig sabihin yan is 2a times 2a. The answer is 4a squared. Next, negative 3 times 2a. So, that is negative 3 times 2a is negative 6a. Then, rewrite plus 2. Then, masisimplify pa ba natin to? So, hindi na. Kasi simplified form na yan. Therefore, ang sagot natin sa f of 2a is 4a squared minus 6a plus 2. Example number 4 tayo. Given with the function f of x is equals to x squared minus 3x plus 2. So, katulad pa rin siya ng function sa example 1, 2, and 3 but a different condition. So, ang sabi dito, what is the value of f of b plus 2? So, ibig sabihin, what is the value of the function if x is equals to b plus 2? So, ganito yung solution natin dyan. Again, ang first step is to substitute b plus 2 to x. So, substitute b plus 2 sa f of x. So, that would be f of b plus 2. Then, substitute b plus 2 sa x squared. So, that is b plus 2 squared. Substitute b plus 2 sa minus 3x. So, that would be minus 3 times b plus 2. Then, retain lang ang plus 2 or positive 2 kasi wala naman siyang variable. Next, rewrite ulit natin yung f of b plus 2. Then, simplify natin yung expression. So, unahin natin yung b plus 2 squared. Ang ibig sabihin niyan ay b plus 2 times b plus 2. So, multiplication of binomial. So, ganito natin siya pinaprocess. Una, b times b is equals to b squared. Then, b times positive 2, the answer is positive 2b. Then, positive 2 times b is positive 2b. Then, positive 2 times positive 2 is positive 4. Now, simplify natin to kasi like term siya. Positive 2b plus positive 2b is equals to positive 4b. So, etong b squared plus 4b plus 4 is the expansion of b plus 2 squared. Next, ito namang part na to, negative 3 times b plus 2, ang ibig sabihin niyan ay negative 3 times b is equals to negative 3b. Negative 2 times positive 2 is equals to negative 6. Then, retain lang natin yung plus 2. Then, rewrite ulit natin f of b plus 2. Then, simplify further. So, meron tayong like terms dito. So, combined like terms. Yung 4b at negative 3b, pwede natin siyang i-combine. So, 4b minus 3b is equals to positive b. Next, yung mga constant natin, 4, negative 6, at saka positive 2, combine natin. So, 4 minus 6 is negative 2, plus 2 is equals to 0. Then, simplify again. Wala na yung 0. So, ang final answer natin dyan is b squared plus b. Therefore, f of b plus 2 is equals to b squared plus b. Example number 5. Given with the function f of x is equals to x squared minus 3x plus 2. So, katulad siya ng previous function but with a different condition. So, sabi dito, what is the value of f of 1 plus a? So, ibig sabihin, what is the value of the function if the value of x is 1 plus a? So, again, ganito yung solution natin. So, first, substitute 1 plus a to x. Substitute natin ang 1 plus a sa f of x. So, that would be f of 1 plus a. Substitute 1 plus a sa x squared. That would be 1 plus a squared. Substitute 1 plus a to minus 3x. That would be negative 3 times 1 plus a. Then, retain ang plus 2 kasi wala naman siyang variable. Then, rewrite natin yung f of 1 plus a. Then, simplify the expression. So, unahin natin yung 1 plus a squared. So, that is 1 plus a times 1 plus a. So, again, this is the multiplication of binomials. So, ganito yung process niya. 1 times 1 is equals to 1. 1 times a is a. A times 1 is another a. Then, a times a is equals to a squared. Then, simplified kasi meron tayong like terms. Combine natin yung plus a plus a. So, that is plus 2a. Therefore, 1 plus 2a plus a squared is the expansion of 1 plus a squared. Next, ito namang part na to, minus 3 times 1 plus a. Ang ibig sabihin niyan is negative 3 times 1 plus a. So, negative 3 times 1 is equals to negative 3. Then, negative 3 times positive a is negative 3a. Then, retain natin ang plus 2. Then, rewrite ulit natin yung f of 1 plus a. Then, simplify further kasi meron tayong mga like terms. Unahin natin yung mga constant. So, meron tayong 1, negative 3, and positive 2. So, that is 1 minus 3 is negative 2 plus positive 2 is equals to 0. Next, meron tayong 2a and negative 3a. Combine natin. So, 2a minus 3a is negative a. Then, retain lang natin yung a squared kasi wala naman siyang kasama. Yan. And then, simplify further. Mawawala na yung 0. Then, i-rearrange na natin. So, pag ni-arrange natin siya, a squared minus a. So, therefore, the value of f of 1 plus a is equals to a squared minus a. So to sum up our examples from 1 to 5, so we are given with same function, but we are asked to find the value of certain conditions. And those are f of 3, f of negative 2, f of 2a, f of b plus 2, and f of 1 plus a. So we already computed for that, and this is the answers.